Hello everyone, today we're gonna do something quite peculiar. Little background on this video. I bought a Switch in December last year, and I was like, finally I can get back to my favorite game, that is Minecraft, because I've been playing it on Windows for 10 years straight. Then I bought a MacBook and, well, everything went to shit. But why? Because Minecraft runs on a Mac, especially on my M1 Pro, like, doesn't have many issues. The main problem is mods. Now, I've been a Minecraft player for 15 years and a modded player for like 10 years straight. I'm not talking about like stupid aesthetic mods that make your sword a bit more shiny. I'm talking about like heavy technical mod packs, stuff like GTNH. My favorite one, I think it was Project Ozone 2, Kappa mods. Today, an idea came to mind. Can modern LLMs make Minecraft mods? And yeah, let's find out. And to understand if Fable can make a mod, we will try to recreate one of my favorite ones, that is ProjectE. ProjectE was named Equivalent Exchange a while back, and I think it became popular with TechIt, like the first very, very good technical mod pack. It's one of the most famous mods. What it does is quite simple. Each block or item has a value. It's called the EMC value, and you can swap between items. For example, one diamond, I think it's 4K EMC more or less for 96. And if you have two, you can swap it for an emerald and vice versa. So for this, we are going to use Devin. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm a Devin ambassador, just to make it clear. And we are going to use Fable. Let's bump it to high. And first of all, let's ask if it knows what ProjectE is. And let's see if it does. Okay, it does. Yes, the equivalent exchange. The EMC, yes. Transportation table, philosopher's stone. Okay. Now, I want to recreate the same exact mode. Please help me with that. Oh, it's open source. Wow. Okay. But okay, it's gonna do it from scratch. Let's see if it's gonna copy the repo. I hope not. Of course, we are gonna build it in Java because it's the Minecraft language. Let's do it in NeoForge, yes. And 120. Oh, okay. Let's do it with 121. I want everything: condenser, collectors, matter spheres. The mod is not that huge. It has like a dozen of really important items, but it's so good to play with. If it's combined with other mods, it's quite OP, but I had the best years of my life playing it with Project Ozone and a bunch of other mod packs that were also based on ProjectE. So let's see if we can rebuild it from scratch. I'll bring you back once we have something to show. As you can see here, it's defining all the MC values for most of the items. It's gonna take a while. And the fun thing about the mod is that we can also remove EMC values from different objects. Main issue with EMC values is that when you add it with other mods, there is a nice chance to like a recursive loop where you can make more EMCs from the same object. I'll give you a stupid example. The main loop that worked in Takit, that is one of the first technical mod pack, was if you get one blaze rod, you can exchange it with two blaze powders. That's the normal Minecraft recipe. But with a macerator, you could get three blaze powders. The macerator from uh, IC2, I think it was the mod, Industrial Crafts, something like that. That was on purpose, I guess. It's like one of the main ways of farming DMC. In every mod pack, if you don't check the secondary recipe, then you can get this kind of problems. I think we are almost done with building the project, or at least like the first slice is done. Let's awesome. I just got a notification that the mod is done, and let's do it. Let's see what it did. Okay, something is loading. I just hope it doesn't burn down my CPU, but I don't think so.
Press
Okay.
enter to enable the narrator.
The fuck is this? Okay. Continue. Single player. Project E Devin Fable. Fable. Fable! Guys, being stupid is quite difficult. It's really. But I hope you are enjoying this video of a stupid guy making an amazing mod. And if it's good enough, this channel will just transform into a Minecraft channel. I had enough of it. Okay, move. I'm lagging like crazy. Let me just check mods. Okay, we have the equivalents. Let's see our equivalents. Okay, the textures are what? R, energy collector, they are chemical coils. Okay, dark matter and red matter. We have the armor as well. Those are the claim stars, I guess. Yes. Let me get an omega. Oh, we have the light ring. Let's see if it works. Let me change again the game mode. Survival. Okay. Let me place the table. Basically, what you do with this, you just put items inside it. And let me just get a piece of wood. A piece of wood should be like 64 MC, not 32. Okay. You just put it here. And since we put it like a red matter, there is a lot of EMC, we can get a lot of wood. We are missing like a bunch of controls like getting a stack, etc. But so I can duplicate wood until I have enough MC to do it. And if I put a clean star here, it should charge. Yes. Okay, amazing. And with this, we should be able to fly. Yes. Wow, nice. And we are consuming EMC inside the clean star. Here, this should be able to make lava. This makes water. Okay. This collects energy. As you can see, it stores EMC. Let's see if I can collect them. Store them still. Okay, you can shift right click and check the EMC stored. Or if you shift right click, the EMC gets back to the transmutation table. Yes. Now the Philosopher's Stone is needed for a bunch of crafting. Let's see if we have, okay, we don't have it in the Jai, but as you can see, you can turn rust into sand, into dirt, into wherever. You should be able also to launch projectiles with the real Philosopher's Stone, but you cannot do it with that. Let's see what other items do we have. We don't have the gem armor. Okay. Oh, we have the condenser. Let's see if it works. The condenser is an amazing block. You can put an item here. It collects energy from the energy collector and it creates items from it. look, look at this. So if we put glowstone around the collector, like as you can see right now, it's doing 4 EMC at a time. If we surround it with glowstone, to do it faster. I think it's faster. It looks like it's faster. And yeah, that's the ProjectE remade in 1.21, I think. Yes, 121.1. And we just like 2 prompts, literally. Fable is amazing. Devin is a great artist. If you want more videos like this, just subscribe, give me a like. You can follow me on Twitter if you want. For today, that's it. Have a good day and bye bye.